In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube not working on Chrome on Windows 10. If YouTube is not loading properly, videos are stuck buffering, or the site just is not responding the way it should in Google Chrome, one of the quickest fixes you can try is clearing your browsing data. This helps remove old cached files and other stored data that may be causing conflicts with the website. It is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready before moving to the next step. Once you are on the main Chrome window, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage different browser options. On the left side, or sometimes near the center depending on your Chrome version, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the tools related to browsing protection, saved data, and website permissions. Now look for the option called Delete Browsing Data and click on it. A new window will appear with options for removing stored information from the browser. This is the part that often helps fix website problems, especially when a page is using outdated or corrupted cached files. If you are following these steps exactly, proceed with the delete option shown on your screen and confirm the action. Once the browsing data has been deleted, close that window and try using YouTube again in Chrome. Open YouTube, play a video, and check whether the problem has been resolved. In many cases, this refreshes the browser enough to restore normal playback and loading. As a helpful tip, after clearing browsing data, give Chrome a moment to reload websites fresh. The first load may take slightly longer than usual, and that is normal because the browser is rebuilding its cache. If YouTube starts working again, then the issue was likely caused by stored browser data. That's all you need to do for this fix. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get YouTube working again on Chrome in Windows 10.